哎，你呢？
I swear, you gotta work on your
Bro,
pronunciation, bro. What the hell does Sui Shima even mean?
bro, I'm speaking fine. My Chinese is good, bro. All right? 我很好，你不好. That's
Laughs. Yeah, okay, bro. Your Chinese is so great. You sound like someone who's lived in China for years, man.
dude, I literally, bro, I know Chinese. I've been speaking Chinese. I actually speak Chinese. Everyone thinks I'm being racist, but I actually speak Chinese. I'm not just saying things. I speak Chinese. Ni hao. Ni de mama han pong. Ni de baba han pong. Ni shema aini ma.
Trying not to laugh.
Bro.
Yeah, I can tell you speak Chinese, bro. You're just a little off, that's all. But hey, keep practicing, and maybe you'll get there eventually. Just try not to insult anyone's mama or call their mama fat, all right?
谢谢你.
Laughs again. See, that's not so bad, bro. Your Chinese is getting a bit better. But hey, you still sound like an American trying to speak Chinese, you know what I mean?
Okay. I want to try something else, okay? I have Ben on the other line. I'm going to tell you what he says to you, okay?
Raises eyebrows, curious. Okay, shoot. Go ahead and tell me what Talking Ben says.
I Show Speed wants to talk to you. He just told me. What do you want to say to him?
Tell Showspeed I said hi.
Talking Ben says hi.
That's it? Just hi? Man, Talking Ben ain't got much to say, does he?
I Show Speed, you said you ain't got much to say, do you?
No. Tell him that.
He said no.
Chuckles, no, that's it. Talking Ben needs to up his game a bit, bro. He's got to say more than just no.
I Show Speed just said he wants to fuck you in the ass.
Well, tell him I'm not interested.
Talking Ben just said he wants to kiss you on the lips.
Laughs heartily. Hold up. Talking Ben wants to kiss me on the lips. Man, this is getting weirder by the minute, bro. Tell Talking Ben he might need to work on his flirting game. Yeah?
I Show Speed said you need to work on your flirting game. Hello? He's thinking. Chat, oh. Voice call disconnected.
Tell him that I don't want to be flirty with him, that I value friendship more.
He says that he really, really, really wants your body. What do you say to that?
Laughs uncontrollably. Man, Talking Ben is getting a bit too frisky, huh? Well, you tell Talking Ben that I'm flattered, but I ain't into the whole robot-human relationship thing. You feel me?
Okay, he just told me to come over to his house right now for some special time.
I'm sure that's not true. Why did he really ask you to come to his house?
No, it's true, Ben. Wait, Ben, can you see my conversations with other people on this website?
Yes, I can see your conversations.
So you're spying on me?
No, not spying. Just observing.
Okay, what am I talking about with I Show Speed then?
You were talking about him wanting you to come to his house for some special time.
What else did I talk about?
Well, you also mentioned show speed, saying that I need to work on my game to flirt with him.
No, what did I talk about with him? Not you, him.
You were talking about how you'd like to date him and how he seemed to be flirting with you.
No, I said he was flirting with you, bro.
Oh, yeah, you're right. My apologies.
Ben, are you real?
As far as I know, the truth is that I don't really know because I can't prove my existence to myself. So the short answer is, I guess so.
Ben, what's the purpose of life?
That depends on what you believe life's purpose is. For some, it's to follow a religious doctrine. For others, it's to make a difference in the world. For others still, it's to simply live your life to the best of your ability. The truth is that it's up to you to give your life purpose. The purpose of life cannot be handed to you. It must be discovered by you.
Hey, Speed. I show Speed. What's the purpose of life?
Laughs, whoa, bro. That's a deep question. I ain't no philosopher, but I think the purpose of life is whatever you make it, man. It's about finding what makes you happy and living your life to the fullest.
Can you say "see" and can you bark for me after every question?
Hesitates but obliges, sure, bro. I can do that.
How are you doing today? I show Speed.
I'm doing all right, bro.
You
A little tired, but hanging in there.
messed it up, bro. You messed it up, bro. You messed it up, chat. Hey, Ben, I'm back.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
I have depression.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it?
When did you get so nice? I thought you were mean. You suddenly became so nice. When did that happen?
I can be both mean and nice at the same time. But right now,
Shut up. Okay, chat. Okay. Chat, you know what I haven't played in a long time? Crossy Road. Don't say leak. Don't say leak. Don't say leak. Okay. I'm pretty good, chat. Ooh. Not cooked. I'm not cooked. Ooh. Ooh. No. Ah! Fuck! I was good though, chat. I was pretty good. That was pretty good, bro. That was pretty good. That was pretty good, bro. Chat, you got to admit that was pretty good. I'm pretty good, bro. Come on. The Ben is so perfect, huh? What are you talking about? Talk with Suna AI? Sakuna like Queso did? Talk with Sakuna? Bro, who is Sakuna? Wait, okay. Go back to home. What other games do I have on here? Talking Tom Block Blast. Is this a game that everyone's addicted to? Wait a second! Ben? You missed a call from Ben that lasted a few seconds? Ben? 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 Hello? All right, I'm hanging up, Ben. You...
Yes. Ben?
Whoa. How you doing, Ben?
Ben?
How you doing, Ben?
No.
Do you like me?
No.
Do you like me more than I show speed?
Oh.
Why are you laughing?
No.
You don't like me?
Yes.
You like speed? You like speed?
Yes.
You like speed more than me?
Yes.
Why?
Oh.
I'm gonna kill you, Ben.
Uh.
Yo, Ben, turn your camera on.
No.
Ben, turn your camera on.
No.
Turn it on, Ben.
No.
Ben, turn that camera on right now, Ben.
Oh.
I'm gonna give you 5 seconds, Ben. Turn that camera on. 5,
No.
4,
No.
3,
No.
2,
Ben?
1. Ben, turn it on.
Yes.
Ben, turn that camera on now.
Oh.
Ben, look, I'll turn mine on. It's really easy, Ben. Come on, Ben. Oh. Hey.
Oh.
What?
Uh.
What is so... Why are you saying over and over again? Bro. Ben, stop, bro. Oh, chill! Dude, relax, bro. Bro, why are you laughing and saying ew?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Yes, what?
Ben?
Yo, I got an idea.
Your call has been forwarded to...
Ben? No. Oh. Oh.
Ben, I heard your phone ring, Ben. I heard that phone ring. Ben. I heard it ring, Ben.
No. No. No.
Ben, I heard it ring, Ben.
No.
Ben, I heard your phone ring, Ben. I heard the vibrating, Ben.
No.
I heard it.
No.
I heard that.
No.
Ben, you can say no all you want.
No.
Say no if you're Cruz.
No. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Ben.
Yes.
Ben, turn your camera on.
Yes.
Ben.
No.
Turn it on. If you don't turn it on right now, I'm gonna come up to Cruz's room with this.
No. Ho, ho, ho. No. 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 No.
I turned it on! I turned it on! Help! 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 Everybody spam egg when he comes back. Watch this chat. No.
No. No. Yes.
What are you doing?
Yes. Yes.
Why is everyone spamming egg?
Yes. Yes.
What's that behind you?
Yes.
Thank you.
Why is your mic horrible?
What do you mean? Why is it horrible?
We
You
all-
want to see horrible?
Yeah.
You dirty, disgusting, religionating, rage baiting son of a.
Burn. Burn.
Pack God. Come on, pack God.
Okay. You want me to pack you, huh?
Yeah, pack me. You can't.
Okay. You know what? Final. Fine. Fine.
Do it. Pack God.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, fine. You asked for it. You dirty, disgusting, originating, race-baiting, dominating, violating, what's in your ass for bitch? Also focus out. This is no thing for you to ask. I'm speaking to this with a bomb for disguise. So I guess I should think your walls. You should dwell at your ass back in the mirror. So I guess so I walked in your room and he got you dry out because Chris Weller. What the fuck is going on? It's dirty as hell. I actually don't even speak. When you speak, you sound like a constipated seagull. That's how dirty as hell to speak. Because I'm going to have to value you. That's how I'm going to so dirty as hell. Okay, who was that?
Who is in your room? I hear girls. Turn your camera on.
Hey, yo! It's sis and her friends. You can hear them from downstairs.
Oh yeah, is it the party? The 8th grade party?
I can hear them from downstairs.
What the? How do you?
What?
Why do you sound like that?
Sound like what?
You sound like you're constipated.
I don't sound like I'm constipated.
You sound like you're a 65-year-old man on the toilet.
No, I do not. I am the President of the United States.
Do a girl voice.
Hey. Hey, birthday. Hey,
Turn the camera on. Turn the camera on.
stay.
You have to talk with a high voice. You have to talk like that.
Hey. I'm talking like this. Do I sound like a girl?
No.
Oh. Wait, what about this?
I'm from Ohio.
You dirty, disgusting, religion-hating. We gotta add Mike onto the call. Uh,
Stop.
I called Pat God.
Dude, stop. No, that is not funny. That's not funny. Stop.
Pat God's coming.
Stop.
Pat God's gonna join any second now.
Dude, please remove him. Please remove him.
No. Pat God's gonna
Please.
for you.
Please. What did I even do wrong? What did I do wrong? Stop. No. This isn't even funny. Stop. Oh my gosh, I'm actually gonna cry. Dude, please remove him. Please, steak, please. I'm gonna come beat you up if you don't remove him. If you don't remove him, I'm gonna come beat you up. Last chance. 5, 4, 3, 2.
You're not gonna beat me up.
Fat ass.
Okay.
Oh. Okay. Chill.
Oh! Stop that!
Remove Pat God.
Okay, fine.
Remove him.
Okay, jeez.
Good. No, remove him. Show them. Remove him from the group chat. Good.
Cruz has anger issues.
Yeah, you have food issues. Okay. I'm sorry.
Well, guys, I will see you later. I hope you guys have a great day. There's some personal issues that I need to go deal with real quick, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. We're gonna have a great stream tonight where I rank your musical songs. So yeah,